Okay, guys, so good morning. Today I'm going to solve just two questions. The first one I'm going to solve is the first question you had in the quiz yesterday about the derivative of the inverse matrix. So that was the question number one, which I prepared for you yesterday. So today, the first video is about the derivative of A inverse, okay? So in this example, we had A of t equals, well, it's pretty simple, it's just 2t, 3t, and 1, 2, okay? So this is a kind of a parameterized matrix. So what is the determinant here? The determinant of A would be just equal to 4t minus 3t, which is just t, okay? Basically, you can get A inverse immediately, okay? It's going to be equal to 1 over t, and I'm going to have 2 here, 2t here, minus 1 here, and minus 3t here, okay? So this is the A inverse of t, which means I could have answered the question if the question was only about getting the derivative of A inverse. Well, I could have written A inverse of t, first of all, just in a kind of more compact form. So it's going to be 2 over t minus 1 over t minus 3 and 2. So once I'm asked about the derivative with respect to the time, I'm going to have the following. I'm going to have an easy matrix. It's going to be minus 2 over t squared, which is the derivative of 2 over t. For the derivative of minus 1 over t, it's going to be 1 over t squared. In the second row, I only have zeros because we have constants in A inverse. Okay, so that was the target to reach. Of course, now that was not the purpose. The purpose was to be able to answer the question where we had to use that form which was given in the lecture, that in general, the derivative of A inverse with respect to the time is equal to minus what? Is equal, here I'm going to have dA over dt. Here is going to be minus A inverse. And here I'm going to have A inverse, okay? So that was the formula of C. And don't forget this, minus sign, okay? So I only have to now to substitute to get the right formula, okay? So what is missing here in my writing is just dA over dt, dA over dt. I can complete it here just to make it clear for everyone. It's going to be equal to 2300, okay? And all the choices you had in the quiz carried this in the middle. So basically, I can now just write it. It's going to be equal to minus 1 over t multiplying 2 minus 3t minus 1 2t. Here I'm going to place dA over dt, which is 2 3 0 0. And finally, I'm going to write again the A inverse, which is 1 over t. So this guy is going to be 1 over t squared. So I'm going to write it as 2 minus 3t minus 1 2t. Okay, which was one of the choices given in the quiz. Okay, so that's it. This is for the first video, and I will record a second video concerning the derivative of the singular value.